There are many options for LED strip lights with no simple, one-size-fits-all standard to go by. This LED strip resource guide will educate newcomers and experts alike on finding the best LED strip lights for the job and how to use them while overcoming common installation holdups. After much research and analysis, our team created a roundup for our viewers, so you can determine what is truly the best LED strip lights for your needs. Number 1. MINGER RGB LED strip lights. When you got the latest model RGB LED strip light from MINGER brand, it is a leading company that designs high-quality electronic goods in this modern world and became a trendsetter by following the manufacturing guidelines. Though it comes at bit expensive prices, best suits for decorating indoors kitchen, dining, living, and bedrooms along with dimming brightness controls. For this reason, we've listed number 4 in the list of best LED strip lights available right now. When you look at the kit, you may come across two variants, one with a 16/4 feet strip and the other with a 32/8 feet. Price will vary according to the length you have chosen. Both the strips come 44-key remote controller, power adapter, connectors and adhesive tape that helps for smooth functioning of the device. The 16/4 feet strip contains 155050 SMD LEDs while the 32/8 feet strip contains 3005050 SMD LEDs. With a simple cut of every 3 LEDs helps to operate safely without damaging to the strip. It even regulates the power supply so as to feed to the strips for viewing different colors. In addition to features and functionalities, the product manufacturer offers 12 months of hassle-free warranty. Pros: 44-key IR remote. Hassle-free functioning. Best for home decoration. High-quality strip light kit. Cons: no smartphone integration. Number 2, Tenmiro Ultra Long RGB LED Strip Light Kit. Want to immerse yourself in a warm, cozy ambience? Then simply opt for Tenmiro Ultra Long RGB LED light strips. It is ideal to use in bedrooms, kitchen, cabinet, TV backlighting, living rooms, family events, parties or holidays. With its extra long 65/6 feet strip lights, one can adjust the brightness of these light strips, as it offers different colors and 8 lighting modes with a simple remote controller having 44 keys. It is easy to cut and link up with other strip LED lights. It allows you to cut every 3 LEDs along the cutting marks or customize the length of LED lights. These LED strip lights are IP20, a non-waterproof with unlimited colors. Wipe the surface where you want to install and keep it dry. Tear the strip and attach it on the surface. Finally press the strip firmly to make it fit properly. With its strong back adhesive, you can easily stick the light strip anywhere you want to illuminate the area. Also, with its multiple scenes mode, its DIY will allow you to create any lighting mode, different atmosphere with different color lights, to enhance your mood and thus to enjoy lighting. Pros: multiple scenes, and DIY colors. Reliable, safe to use and energy saving. 6 feet/20 m long LED strip lights. Offers a lifespan of more than 50,000 hours. Cons: not waterproof. Number 3, Lepro RGB LED strip lights. You can create ambient atmosphere in any situation with this amazing color-changing RGB strip lights. It is perfect for TV backlight, party mood light, bar light, home decor, and holidays. It allows you to select 20 preset colors and 6 DIY color along with adjusting the brightness with its remote controller. It is easy to install these strip lights, as it comes with strong 3M self-adhesive backing tape, which ensures long-lasting adhesion. It can be fold and bend easily due to its flexibility. One can cut the exceed length by cutting every 3 LEDs along the cutting marks. Suits perfect for easy DIY but install on a clean, dry and smooth surface. It offers 8 light patterns, 6 DIY colors along with 20 colors, primary RGB colors, white and 16 multicolored options. These are durable, environmentally friendly, and they has heat dissipation. You can use these LEDs for celebrations or in your bedroom, living room, kitchen, desktops, and cabinets. However, they are not ideal for outdoor purposes. They come with an electrical cord and need a power outlet. Furthermore, they are not water resistant. Pros: strong adhesive 3M tape. All-in-one RGB LED strip light kit. Remote controller with multiple settings. Easy to install and super long-lasting LEDs. 20 colorful variations. Cons: non-waterproof. Number 4, DAYBETTER RGB LED strip lights. It occupied 8th position in the list because of the amazing features and functionalities. What made us to tie up with this model is the bright, vibrant 16 multicolored options, 44-key IR remote control and a long-lasting RGB LEDs. If you are the one who loves to enjoy the different color shades for indoor decorations, then this DAYBETTER RGB LED strip light is just for you. The strip lights are non-waterproof. They have color-changing options with 20 dedicated color keys. Additionally, there are 8 light pattern keys, quick, slow, auto, flash and 4 color jump keys. There is also brightness control and 6 DIY keys for programming your personal colors. It is ideal for indoor lighting decoration, such as kitchen, under cabinet, dining room, bedroom, TV backlighting, automobile, mirror, balcony, party, patio, automobile, wedding, etc. The strip comes with 300 durable 5050 SMD LEDs and the back of the strip is provided with a strong 3M adhesive. You can also cut the strip at a length of 3 LEDs. It is best suited to use for gardens, kitchens, hotels, advertisement lighting, emergency lamp, shopping malls, restaurants, patios etc. Number 5. Govee Smart LED Strip Lights. The Govee 32 8-foot smart LED light strip has almost 33 feet of bright 1080 LM lighting with up to 16 million color options through the Govee Home app. The light strip can also connect with Amazon Alexa and Google Home to provide voice control over lighting, turn the lights on or off while walking into an area, or even control the color settings without lifting a finger. It comes in 2 flexible 16-foot rolls and requires 40 watts of power for optimal functionality. Use a smartphone to set a schedule for operation, or enjoy the sound-responsive microphone, which prompts the LEDs to change color with music beats, hand claps, and other sounds. We tested these lights under kitchen cabinets, and we found that they were bright enough to be used as task lighting. The app had excellent connectivity, great schedule options, and lighting choices based on scenes or manual preferences. Govee got extra points for providing support clips that adhere or screw in to hold the heavier parts of the electrical cord if needed. Pros: lots of length for the price, excellent connectivity, app is easy to set up, includes support brackets. Cons: somewhat limited color selection, voice and music setting aren't great.